Well, I'm gonna show you what happens. Oh. Put in the key, turn it, bolts come on, fasten seatbelts come on, but there's no service engine soon light that comes on. Radio works. Another thing I noticed that doesn't work is the fans. That doesn't work. I had this torn apart because I checked and double checked all the wires under here, and they should be all plugged in. And I checked all the fuses, make sure they were all good and they were all tip-top shape. But it just turns over, but it doesn't start. But you can hear the relay come on for the pump. See if you can hear it. Yeah, there it goes. But no pump comes on. The only thing really I don't have hooked up is this wire, which was never hooked up really. The condenser is not hooked up, which is really not important. And that's probably the only thing's not hooked up. But yeah, if you guys can help me out in any way. I checked the ECM, and I checked A6 and C16. They both came out good with good readings. And I don't know. I don't know what's going on. So any help would be greatly appreciated.